Hi, Denise and everyone over at BD Tree Services. My name is Kylie. I'm with Ringen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a local digital marketing agency right here out of Jackson, Michigan. I wanted to create this short customized video for you guys with some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. There's three things that I'm going to be talking to you about today. First one is going to be content. Second one will be citations. And the third one is going to be backlinks. Since we're on the home page of your website, I'm going to go ahead and talk about content first. Content isn't just the words on your page. Content is also the images on your page and how they're saved. So it's super important to go in and make sure that any image on your page is saved as a buyer intent type keyword or key phrase. So go on, right click and see, anywhere you've got an image stuck, make sure they're saved the right way. That's the first step. Second thing is that content is king in the eyes of Google. So Google likes to see about a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage and then 500 to 750 words minimum on every page thereafter. So going in and making sure that you have enough content, which I can see here, you don't. It looks like you probably have around maybe 100 or so words on this page. So you want to add about 1,400 more words to this page, at least if you're trying to rank this page. So if you've got if you had a services page you were trying to rank for, that might be a page you want to utilize as well. I'm going to go ahead and start talking about citations. And you may be finding yourself asking, what are citations? Citations are anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number are listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Yellow Pages, etc. Those would be great examples of where you could get citations from. Citations have everything to do with your Google My Business page. Your Google My Business page is what pulls up in this map pack right here when people type in buyer intent keywords or key phrases when they're looking for tree services in your location or service area. So I typed in Mason, Michigan tree service, and this is what popped up in the map pack here. So you guys don't pull up. It's super important to utilize that content, like I said, getting those keywords within that content, saving photos, right, so that you can be ranking organically on the first page of Google. And that's also what's going to help get you to pull up in these first three positions so that people are calling you instead of your top competitors. I've got your GMB, your Google My Business page, pulled up right here. And I wanted to just go over a couple things with you. So first thing is photos. So you're going to want to have a minimum of 10 photos on here. And again, saving these photos as keywords and key phrases. So you want to go do that. You've got 19 Google reviews. 25 is a minimum that we really like to see. So going ahead and calling your past clients and asking if they would be willing and able to put some more reviews on your Google My Business page. This is the most important place to collect reviews. So go ahead and take that step. Get those 6 additional reviews. You've got that minimum. And that'll help as well. So you've got pictures, you've got your website on here. If you have a business address, you want to try to put it in here. I know some people don't have a physical location for their services, so if you don't, that's fine. That being said, we're going to hop on over to this here. So this is a paid tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. And this gives me an overview of the power that's coming to a website. So I look at this when I'm doing SEO type services and I want to see what the competitors have and how we're going to beat them. It looks like we've got pretty much a blank canvas here. There's really no data on your website on here. However, Google found you. They must have crawled you at some point. They crawled the website and they found one word or key phrase on your website, Mason Tree Services, which is searched 150 times a month and has a keyword difficulty level of 0, which means that if you were pushing enough power to your website and Google found you relative and saw you as a high authority website, then you would actually be pulling in business from this keyword within 30 to 45 days, which is fantastic, especially with the high volume. Currently, your position is 83, which means you're on like the 9th or even further down page of Google. So if anytime someone types this in, you're not pulling up in the forefront. So that's really doing damage to what potential you have for your company. So I wanted to make sure I pointed that out to you because that is something that you can be doing to pull in more business. And then also considering, other deviations of these keywords. So, mason tree services isn't the only keyword out there that people are searching. There's more volume that you could be getting and getting even more additional business. So those are the things that I wanted to go over with you today. Actually, I do want to talk about backlinks. So usually, let's see what we got here. We'll use these guys if they have anything in here. Okay, so since we've got a little bit more going on here than on yours, I'm going to use this as an example because I did want to touch on backlinks, and I think I missed that. So backlinks are basically just one website linking to another website saying, hey, Google, this site is trustworthy. Okay, so that being said, not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you're, putting your link on referring domains that have high authority. So they're not spammy. They have a good history with Google so that Google sees you as a high authority and trustful website as well. So you want to be careful where you're putting links. You don't have any links right now, but you want to go in and make sure that any links that you're putting on your website are coming from high quality, solid referring domains. So go ahead and do that. And you want to do as many of these as possible to really build up your profile online, get more business, get more people calling you. So I hope that you found this video useful. I hope that it gave you some advice. If you want to take these tips and tricks and run with them on your own, like I said, it's totally fine. If you have some questions, please let me know. And again, I would appreciate any feedback that you can provide. Thanks so much and have a great 2021.